Today's Thursday, February 4th. Yesterday the dollar got trashed, so it's probably a good idea to take a look at the chart, see if there's anything that we can take from it as far as the fortunes of the greenback go. Here is the US dollar index, which, as everyone knows, is the basket of currencies against the dollar, and you can see it's pretty clear what happened yesterday, and even into this morning it's weak again. So you say, well, is the bull market in the dollar over? And there's a lot of reasons to say no, because first we have this pretty large trading range going back to early last year, and the market just appears to be heading to the bottom of the range to support. So it's range bound. It's a wide range, but I can't say that the dollar rally is over. I mean, take a look at a momentum indicator. This is stochastics. I like it in a trading range. You can see it's already approaching oversold. I don't know if it'll reach the bottom. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But that's not what we're looking at here. I want to take a look at a bigger picture. You can see where this thing is coming from. And actually, let's just go into the weekly view. Let the data come in. And you can see where the dollar's been. So is this a breakout? Let's just draw some quick lines here. Is that a breakout from there, from there? And you can see that that upper line is kind of the bottom of the trading range as well. So there's a lot of reasons to think there's good support for the dollar. Maybe not today or next week, but overall it appears that the dollar is still in decent shape. Let's just take a look at some other currencies just to be sure, because the dollar index is not really a single currency. It's half euro. So why don't we just take a look at the euro? The same story, trading range. So it does look remarkably similar to the dollar index, of course, inverted. Keep looking. Australian dollar, sideways, and you could even argue that this trend is still falling. So that's a stronger dollar still in place. The yen, maybe a little bit better, perhaps a rounded bottom type shape. I don't want to really say that's what's going on, but does not look like a breakout just yet. And let's take a look at Canada, just because it had some issues recently, falling to a new low. But look at this, already oversold according to this indicator. Again, I don't want to use stochastics as the holy grail of indicators, but just give me an idea that this trend is still down, which means that the trend in the US dollar is still up. So let's close by putting the dollar index back up there. And so yeah, it looks like it's in trouble. Maybe it's oversold in the very short term intraday, but maybe just a lot of wiggling going on right now. But overall, I think the dollar is still in decent shape.